Step by step, I'm laying the ground, focused on details, building what sound. Patience and purpose guide me today. Every small effort paving the way. Steady and driven, I'm making it last. Lessons and discipline learned from the past. Brick by brick, I'm making it real. Planning my future, shaping what I feel. Routine and rhythm, structure and care. Turning my dreams into work I can share. Taking on tasks with pride and resolve. Problems and challenges ready to solve. Organized, practical, meeting the mark. Lighting the way when the path feels dark. Frustration and anger, I work them through. Channeling purpose in all that I do. Brick by brick, I'm making it real. Planning my future, shaping what I feel. Routine and rhythm, structure and care. Turning my dreams into work I can share. Brick by brick, my vision in view. Step after step, I see it come true. Brick by brick.